Hello everyone. Today we will understand how to find out the value of the polynomial if the value of the variable which is present in the polynomial is given to you. At the end of the video, please like, subscribe, share and leave a comment in the comment section. So let's begin with question number 1. We will write on here, let Px is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. If x is equals to 0, so in place of x we have to put the value equals to 0. We'll write on P0 is equals to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So 0 into 5 is 0. Minus 4, 0 square is 0 plus 3. 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. So the answer for the first part is equals to 3. Similarly, for the second part, if x is equals to minus 1, P minus 1 will be equals to, in place of x, we will write on minus 1, minus 4, minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4 we will write minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 which is equals to positive 1 plus 3 which is equals to minus 5. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 3. So we'll get here minus 9 plus 3 which is equals to minus 6. Similarly, for the third part, it says if x is equals to 2, we'll write on P2 is equals to, in place of x, we'll write on 2 minus 4, 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2 is 10 minus 4, 2 square means 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. We'll get here 10 minus 16 plus 3. So 10 minus 16 is negative 6 plus 3. Negative 6 plus 3 is equals to negative 3. So this is how we can find out the value of the polynomial if the value of the variable is given. So let's take second part as an example. So in part 2, Pt, where t is the variable, 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So let's take it with P1. In place of t, we will put 1 plus 2t square, 1 square, t cube, 1 cube, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. Similarly, if I have to find out the value for P2 here, in place of t, we will put the value as 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 cube, which is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 square means 4. We'll write on that. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2 plus 2 plus. Now this is 2 into 4. That means 8 minus 8. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12 minus 8. So that will be equals to 4. Similarly, let's take another example here. Let's take the example of fourth part, where Px is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So let's find out what is the value for P1 is equals to 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. This part will become 0, this part will become 2. 0 into 2 is 0. So always write the values in the order. If there is a bracket, first solve the bracket and then multiply the number which is outside the bracket. So don't do all in one step. Try to do the question step by step. You will make less mistakes. Then we have to find out the value for P2. So in place of x, I will write down 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 into 3 is equals to 3. So this is how we can solve such kind of a question. I hope you understand this part very well. Thanks for watching.